Driving in my car right after a beer. Hey, that bomb is shaped like a deer. DUI, how about you die? I'll go 100 miles in an hour. Little do you know, I filled up on gas. I'm a kid, you're about to make an ass. Pulverize this fog with my cooking truck. It seems you're out of luck.
Another day, another victory for the OG. Taking down the sweats, the imposters among us.
Just shut up before I run your ass over.
Come on, you're not gonna do that.
Driving in my car right after a beer. Hey, that bomb is shaped like a deer.
You seriously did that?
Yeah, he won't be a fucking problem anymore.
Oh, thank God.
You guys realize he can still come back.
Finally, some peace and quiet.
Nothing beats a Jet2 holiday. And right now, you can save £50 per person. That's £200 for a family.
Turn that shit off.